Welcome back guys. Today we are going to learn to solve our previous problem, that is counting occurrence of a char in a string using data structures. The data structure we are going to use is HashMap. Hope you know about the HashMap. HashMap is a data structure which stores the values in keys and values. For each key it associates a particular value. Keys can be string or integer, so as values. For our problem, let's take an input boss. For input boss, B, O are repeated only once, but S is repeated twice. So in our approach, what we'll do is, we take each character and check if it is already existing in our hash map. If it already exists in hash map, what we'll do is simply increment the value by 1. So first, we'll compare B. It's not in hash map, so we'll make value 1, assign value 1. Same for the O, same for the S. But for the second time, when the S is already in the value, already in the hash map, what we'll do is increment the hash map value to 2. So now let's write the Java code. In our Java code, we have the class data structure solution, and we have the function where we have to write, that is get occurring char. We will take the input through the scanner and we'll pass it to this get occurring char method. So first we have to define a hash map. Hash map is defined this way. Then we have to define an integer, that is n, which will be equal to s.length, that is the length of the string. And we take a count variable. Now what we'll do is we write a loop, for loop. In this loop we will check if the variable is already present in the hash map or not. If it is present, we will increment its value by 1. If it's not present, we will insert the character and value 1. So using this condition, we will check if the value is present, if the character is present or not. If the character is present, what we will do is we will make the count. We will get the existing count and we will replace it with count plus 1. If the value is not present, we will put the character as well as the value. So now we have the hash map ready. Now we have to print the hash map as our desired output. Now let's test this. For this, I have an extension called input. If I write input, we will give boss as input. When I run this program, see, B is equal to 1, S is equal to 2, O is equal to 1. Now we'll give a different output. If you notice, it has a problem. It has a drawback. Because HashMap doesn't store values the way they are inserted. It randomly stores the values. So to pass the test cases, this is not an optimal solution. Instead, we can use a linked list, which would be a more accurate solution for this problem. Time complexity for this problem is big O of n, as we are only using one loop to get our solution. We are not using loop in a loop. We are using two loops, but the constants gets eliminated in big O of n. So our time complexity is finally big O of n and space complexity is just 1. So it's optimal solution, but we do not get in our desired output. because it randomizes the storage in a hash map. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you to see you in my next video.